remember early Saturday mornings, my cousins, my mom, aunts, and different family members, used to be excited about going to the yard sales and getting deals on things and, saving money and dressing the family and doing constructive things. It was fun. It was fun to shop and actually save, and we look forward to it. We look forward to uh, utilizing our money in that direction. You know what I mean? And now people tend to want to brag about the dollar amount that they had to spend on something. Oh, I had to spend 150,000. I had to spend 5,000. I had to spend $1,000 on this. And I'm like, you saying all that? I'm thinking to myself, like, you spent 1,000. I saved 50%. I'm happy I saved 50%. All gone.